If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can set the bill payment preferences before using the Accounts Payable features of QuickBooks by selecting Edit, Preferences from the menu bar to open the Preferences window. Click the Bills icon at the left side of the Preferences window, and then click the Company Preferences tab that appears at the right side of the window to view and set the default billing preferences. In the Entering Bills section, enter the default number of days after entry that bills without a due date should be paid by typing a number into the Bills are due blank days after receipt field. You can also check the Warn about duplicate bill numbers from same vendor checkbox to be alerted to that fact if it occurs. In the Paying Bills section, if you want to automatically use discounts and credits when available, check the Automatically Use Credits and/or the Automatically Use Discounts checkboxes. If checked, use the adjacent drop-down to select the account used to track vendor discounts and credits. After setting your desired billing preferences, click the OK button to apply them. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.